Introducing the KINGROON 3D Printer Filament Bundle. 10 rolls of high-quality PLA or PETG filament, each one kg, 1.75 mm in diameter, all for just $76.95. Originally priced at $251.47, that's a massive 69% off. You get a mix of vibrant colors: black, white, red, green, blue, pink, orange, and more. Perfect for all your creative projects. Each roll offers precision diameter of 1.75 millimeters with just plus or minus 0.02 millimeters tolerance, 300 meters of filament per roll, print temperature of 190 to 230 degrees Celsius, compatible with most FDM 3D printers, smooth feeding and minimal warping, no heated bed required. PLA, or polylactic acid, is eco-friendly and beginner-friendly. It's the go-to filament for quality prints with vibrant color and great finish. Perfect for household items, models, DIY gifts, or prototypes. Get your 10-roll KINGROON filament bundle today and enjoy free shipping worldwide. Click the link in the description below to buy now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and product deals.